Guys, we got a clean 2006 Ford Mustang GT 4.6 liter. This car is mint. Look at that. Wow. It's an 06, guys. It looks like a brand new car. It's got nice black stripes, grayish purple color. I like it. It's different. I like the black out wheels. Just got a really nice presence to it. Don't you guys agree? Anyways, let me show you what we've done on it. It's got stock manifolds, then high flow cats right there and right there, and then down pipes into a 3-inch X pipe right there, and then 2.5-inch pipe continues out the back factory. And then he brought it to us and we installed 2 VALVETRONIC mufflers, one there and one there. And if you guys are not familiar with VALVETRONIC, they've got a valve on them up here. When the valve is closed, which is in here, it routes the exhaust fumes through the muffler, out inside the muffler, and then out the back. And then when the valve opens, it goes straight through like a straight pipe. So you get 2 completely different sounds. Whenever you want it quiet, you close the valve. Whenever you want it loud, you open the valve. So you get the best of both worlds. Really nice design. And these are universal mufflers that VALVETRONIC started selling, and we put them on for them, and then ran the vacuum lines through the trunk, as you guys can see right there, through this access point and into his cigarette lighter, and got it out done for him. There's the box of the VALVETRONIC, and the 2 mufflers are gone. Anyways, here it is. As you guys can see, even the back of it is clean. It's mint, all the way from Pennsylvania. So we said we gotta hook them up with a video. Stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. And like always, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. This is with the valves closed, guys. As you guys can see, it still has tone, but just a lot quieter. It's really quiet at idle. This is idle. Right at 68. Give it gas. Right at 95 when it peaks. Again. And this is open. It open. Here's sound decibels at idle. $116. You see, from 94 to 116. Huge difference. That's where they're closed, open. Amazing. Closed. Open. Open and close. We gotta let you guys hear on the inside. with the valves closed, guys. He's got to take it down the road and come back and see us. VALVETRONIC system. Got this 360 cam on. Ready for anything. There it is right there, guys. So you guys can hear it go down the road. That's with it closed. He's gonna bring it back in a second. And we'll open it back up. So you guys can see it's really quiet when the valves are closed. Like I told you guys, it's a really good looking Mustang, man. Wow. It's so clean. What do you think, bro?
Awesome.
Do you like it?
So much
It's
better,
exactly
yeah.
what you wanted?
Yeah.
Enjoy it, man.
Thank you,
I'm gonna
man.
take that. All the way from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, guys. They drove down to us and we hooked them up with some VALVETRONICs designs. Universal mufflers. That sounds phenomenal. Wow. Enjoy, guys. I love it.